This is one way. But this way, we only use it when we want to confirm, to assure, to ensure to you that those are the three who are from Japan.
就是说，如果我们这句这样写的话，就是要强调说他们三个是来自日本的。
Okay, that when I start by the noun, by the pronoun, then I am adding to make it, to assure, to make it very sure.
我一开始用这个代名词的话，就是他们就是要去确定这三个。
Okay, like for example, the Prophet Muhammad said, "Hum al-qawm la yashqa jalisuhum." That the Prophet Muhammad was talking about al-qawm means the group or the tribe or the group of people that when they sit, they talk about they talk about Allah, they talk about Quran. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Hum al-qawm" means those kind of people, la yashqa jalisuhum. Anyone who sit with them will succeed. So start by saying hum means those are the people. If you want to be successful, sit with those people.
就是说呢，你要成功的话，跟那些人坐在一起。
Okay, so this is one way. There is another way. There is another way that we say those three, they are from Japan. How we say it, now this is something new for you, and we will practice it inshallah with other letters. Another way is what is this word? Thalathatuhum. Remember, if we want to ask how are they, what do we say? Kayfa haluhum. Okay? So number 3 is thalatha. If I want to say 3 of them, or those 3, I say thalathatuhum. But if I am talking about 3 females, what I say? Thalatha, we still have this ta. Thalathatuhunna. If I want to say 3 of you, more than 3 of you male, okay, how are you more than 2 male? Kayfa halukum, not kum, same as assalamu alaykum. Okay, so if I want to say 3 of you male, thalathatukum, thalathatukum. If I want to say 3 of you female, yes, full word. Thalathatukunna. Difficult? It is the same as what we learned. Kayfa haluka, kayfa haluki, kayfa halukum, kayfa halukunna. The same those we add at the end, we can add to the numbers. Give you an example to practice it more. If I want to say 5 of them, they are females.
他的5个人是女生。
Exactly. Khamsatuhunna. Clear? But here there is something. I know that it is a little bit difficult, but you still need to learn it. But here there is something. This, I use it in 2 ways. It has 2 meanings. I need to understand the meaning according to the sentence. What is it? Here, thalathatuhum means 3 of them. means 3 of them. But also it has another meaning. It has another meaning, which is that the third of them.
这另外一个意思就是说他们第三个，一个意思是他们三个人，另外一个意思是他们第三个人。
You got the meaning? I say they are 3.
说他们三个人。
But the third of them is very tall.
然后第三个人很高。
For example, now, give you an example. Allah says in Quran, in chapter 18, talking about the people of the cave.
在第18章讲到山洞的人。
سيقولون ثلاثة. Is there anyone who remember this?
Yeah.
Okay, what? سيقولون ثلاثة. That Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala is telling us the story of the people of the cave. That they would say, they are talking about those people of the cave. They would say that they are 3. سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم. رابعهم is the fourth one. With them is their dog.
他们有三个人，第四个是狗。
ويقولون خمسة. And they may say they are 5.
他们有可能说他们有5个人。
سادسهم كلبهم. سادسهم means the 6th one with them is their dog.
那第6个是狗。
رجما بالغيب. ويقولون سبعة. And others they say they are 7.
那有些人说他们有7个人。
ثامنهم كلبهم. The 8th from them is their dog.
然后第8个是狗。
Clear? So it has 2 meanings. When I say ثلاثتهم means those 3. Okay? And I still can say that the third of them.
反正他这句话有2个意思，一个是他们3个人，另外一个就是他们第3个。
So then ثالثهم or ثالثتهم, if I'm talking about feminine or masculine, ثالثتهم, رابعتهم, خامستهم, and so on. Now, to answer this question, we say ثلاثتهم من اليابان. There is another way, which is without this. There is another way to answer this question, which is without this. What we say? We say الثلاثة من اليابان. Now, I am going to tell you something, no need for you to remember it, but just because I feel that you are very confused. So I'll tell you something, no need to remember it, just to explain this. Okay? هم الثلاثة من اليابان. Suppose that the question before this, suppose that, for example, Sultan was asking me, he said, are those 3 who came from Japan?
照理说，这个前面的问句，这句话前面问句可能就是问说，他们3个是从日本来的吗？
Then I say no. هم الثلاثة من اليابان. Those are the 3 from Japan.
就是说，这不对，这3个才是从日本来的。
Or I say yes. هم الثلاثة من اليابان.
那我也可以说对，他们
Yes,
3个是。
those are the 3 from Japan. Clear? This is the first one. Another one. Sultan is asking me, where are those from?
那有可能前面的问句是说这些人是哪里来的？
Then I say, الثلاثة من اليابان. Means those 3 are from Japan.
就是这3个是来自日本。